Hello everyone. If you've ruined your laptop, the motherboard burned out, or you spilled liquid on it and it stopped turning on, the service center might refuse to repair it because the repair cost might be higher than the cost of a used laptop. As in my case, then I just went and bought a motherboard on AliExpress. It's easy to find, just type motherboard and your laptop model. I ordered one for myself. I have a Hewlett-Packard 250J3. There are many sellers here with motherboards, but I chose a cheaper seller, and I'll leave a link to him in the description. I received the board, installed it, and this is the laptop I repaired, currently working. Further on, if you need to, you can see how to disassemble it and how to install a new motherboard. It's quite easy to replace. So the package arrived today. I haven't opened it. This video will serve as proof to the seller if something is wrong with it. But first, you need to disassemble the laptop. It has been disassembled before, so some screws might be missing or already removed. But we need to unscrew the ones that are there. First, remove the battery. It unclips here. Also, 2 screws are hidden behind these caps. They are glued here. One in, and unscrew all the screws on this side. They are black. Here, 2 screws are attached to the keyboard. And one more. All of them hold the cover. But Russia, to take into account, we checked everything. We unscrewed all the screws. Now we flip it back over. We need to remove the keyboard since we already unscrewed it from that side. Here we have around the perimeter latches. They need to be pried open from some side. This, I think, will be convenient. Here we have a ribbon cable. It's already unclipped. The keyboard simply comes off. Here it's attached with a ribbon cable. Okay, we also have something here. Here we should have had a screw, but it's not screwed in. Okay, unscrewed. Now we need to remove this small cover. Also, you need to pry it open. Here there should also be a power button ribbon cable, but it's already removed. So here you also need to unclip the ribbon cable. And there's a ribbon cable here too. It has also been removed already. This ribbon cable goes to the buttons and the touchpad. We remove it all around, we unclip it all around. Okay, we've unscrewed the cover. Here is our motherboard. You need to remove the display cable, so it comes off. This is our display cable, okay? We also have a cable that goes to charging. Here we have the Wi-Fi module connected. It needs to be removed. We remove it. There is no cooler here. The USB port cable is unclipped, and we just need to unscrew 2 small screws. Here they are. Here's one. Here's the second one. They are indicated by arrows. When assembling, do it in reverse order. That is, you only need to screw in these 2 small screws. The others are screwed in once the cover is on. Here we need to unscrew the cooling radiator. Four small screws. It will need to be moved to the new processor. Removed, we also remove the RAM. And the battery will also come in handy. That's it. We remove the old motherboard. We take the new one. I'm not showing the unboxing, nothing special. Box, and everything was securely packed inside. We screw in the cooling radiator. Screwed in, we insert the RAM. Screwed in. We're rolling. Screwed in. We insert the processor. We lay out their delightful banquet. The battery, that's it. We need to insert the hard drive here, connect it, and basically everything is ready. To install. Okay, here we connect the USB cable. We connect it. Speakers. Next up we have this YouTube and the Wi-Fi module. We screw it in. This is where the monitor cable connects, the charging port. We connect the hard drive. Here's a hard drive on M.2 SATA NTFS. And to connect it, I took this adapter for SATA. We connect it. Okay, seems like everything. The power button is still left. Connect the button, and that's it. We insert the battery. and we launch. The monitor lit up. It says that in general there is no system. You need to first install the system on the hard drive.
Монитор засветился, пишет, что в общем нет системы, нужно сначала установить систему на жесткий диск.
And